proper, papatay talaga yan. Mindanao. Sus, Maria.
So thank you,
Ikaw,
Mr.
sir,
President.
taga-roon ka eh.
In the course of the hearings, doon nga natin i-establish bakit nga walang pang-operation ang police. So yun ang
Wala talaga
ating,
yan.
yun ang ating,
Wala
tatanungin
talaga.
ngayon natin yan. Pero we have run out of time for our hearing this, kanino kay Presidente?
Until now, sir.
Okay.
Until
can
now.
Can we excuse the President? Okay. Sige, Mr. President, by unanimous position, you are now excused from the hearing. Mr. Thank you for
Ayoko, sir.
attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you na, sir.
Eh,
Whether you like it or not, kasi itong mga kaibigan niyo po rito, gusto na po kayong ipa-relax
kasi,
po,
sir,
Mr. President.
may gusto, ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos